If you are situated in Merseyside, Cheshire, Flintshire, Wrexham or Denbighshire, there is a regional threat alert in place. Sightings and encounters with mysterious beings that look devoid of colour have been common and occurring in Chester, Wrexham, Liverpool and other major cities. However, they are most common on the Wirral. If you are in these areas, especially on the Wirral, please do not refrain from blocking windows and doors, or camping out in basements or rooms without windows. There will be a short worded demonstration on what to pack shortly. In order to properly prepare for staying in your basement or enclosed room, bring the following ready-to-eat food, water or drinks, a radio or way of staying tuned.